was a funny noise. Ooh, look at you.
What is that place over there?
One of the, you mean the stones? Those are everywhere. They're part of the forest.
You like that phone, don't you?
Cement, whatever. I mean, I don't know if
You
you
wanna
noticed
see
when
it?
we drove in, there was
I'll see this
one
side.
built
Look,
into
look
the
at
rock.
It almost looks
What's
like
that?
mid-century Hollywood
Who's that over there?
modern house.
Yeah. Oh, silly baby. Delicious, I bet. Is that delicious?
Hi, baby Tess. Hi, baby Tess. Oh, there's a smile.
Nice clapping.
Nice clapping. Clap, clap. Clap, clap.
What you doing?
He's so funny, Tess.
Really
Isn't this your hat right here? Hey, isn't this your hat right here?
Surprised there's another one next
Yeah,
to
you
it.
can see it.
I know,
What's this?
no, I'm good.
Boop.
It's not going to be very long.
Who's that crazy kid?
Oh, Tess looks like a star with her hat on sideways.
Stop.
Oh my goodness, where's that hat going?
Oh, what a silly baby.
It's a pretty blue color, isn't it?
So Tess had her appointment
You're so smart.
yesterday at the developmental place.
Oh yeah.
It was a long appointment for a baby. I can't believe they don't